Plantain, Edo, cassava. Put in a little onion. You don't even have to use tomato.
Yam, dasheen, corn flour, duck. You don't need plenty meat. Saltfish is enough.
If you're fighting cholesterol, time for you to smile. But don't eat it every day, just once a while.
And you wouldn't have to feel any kind of guilt, but boil up everything, add a little coconut milk.
Oh Lord, Mama, you better come and feed me. Nothing more sweet than little Madam G. Nothing more sweet than little Madam G. Nothing more sweet than little Madam G.
Boil up the Edo real good. Cassava is good stuff. Plantain and duff does make everybody tough.
Porridge is not nutritious. Madam is better. It does make my grandpa feel strong and tough.
Put your right foot in and shake it all around. Do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Put your right foot in, you put your left foot out. Put your left foot in and you shake it all around. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Citation goes to Julia Roberts. Give her a round of applause. The one with the famous name, and she's strutting as she's coming down. Yes. Congratulations. Next we have Anthony Baines. Anthony Baines. He's in Guyana. Give him a round of applause. Even though he's in Guyana, which we're all going to, right? All right, she's gonna accept it on his behalf. Let's give it up for Marcia Gordon. She's not here today, but you did see her on the screen. Give it up for her. Thank you so much. Adina Bellman. Adina Bellman. She has the artistic nails and she's showing it for us. Congratulations. Next is Xavier Bingham. Xavier, give him a round of applause. Xavier. Congratulations, Xavier. Elias Lawrence. That was a resounding applause that you got, Elias.
The program continues to grow, and I know in a not so distant future, we are looking forward to you being in your own building, right? From my lips to God's ears. Have a great day, everyone, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator. We love you.
At my right, would like his vision and aspiration right now is to be an artist. Or Jean or Jean. Jean's right there. And this is our engine.
I know who I am. I am stronger than I think. I can do much more than play, eat, and drink.
I can find my strength and use it to be things that I think in my mind. Things that I think, hear, and see.
Sometimes I sit silently and I imagine powerful stuff. I can be great things, but dreaming is not enough.
Father,